Hello, it's me, Orange's Big Brother, and I'm here with episode 1 of Ask Orange's Big Brother, where I answer a question every video. The question of the day today is, what is the background the pilot episode of Ask Orange's Big Brother? Well, lots of stuff. I was in Washington then, so there's lots of stuff coming on in Washington. Like bathrooms, noisy stuff, like that. I think that's somebody putting a roof on his house or something. I have no idea. They always do this. I think it's weird. Anyway, remember to ask me more questions for Ask Orange's Big Brother, because I'm Orange's Big Brother, and I would appreciate it. So, see you later, gangsters. Peace out. Word.